Hello students, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class. In our previous class, we studied the integral of trigonometric functions, and we are still going to continue with the study of integral of trigonometric function, and we are here to solve this very question in this class. So in our previous class, I already gave you chart of integral of some trigonometric functions. As we see, it's integral of cos, integral of sines, cosec squared, sec squared, cosec squared, sectan, cosec cot. I'll give you the integral of these very trigonometric functions. So I'm going to use all these integrals to evaluate certain integral of trigonometric functions, which is not given here. So looking at this example, they ask us to evaluate the following. The first question is integral of cos squared x with respect to x. So we have integral of cos squared x with respect to x. But from the integrals I wrote down here, from the basic integrals of trigonometric functions I wrote down here, I don't have integral of cos squared, right? But I can use trigonometric formula to write cos squared as that cos squared theta is equal to half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is what we're going to use. Cos squared theta is half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. So I'm going to use that to write this. So I'm going to proceed. We can factor out this constant, this half. We have half of integral of 1 plus cos 2x dx. That's what we'll now have. So this will be half of, we can evaluate the integrals. So if you integrate 1 is a constant, it will be this constant multiplying the variable and integrating with respect to x. So it will be 1 multiply x, which will be what? X. Then we integrate cosine. We want to integrate cosine 2x. So first of all, look at the derivative of the angle. The angle of cos is what? 2x. If you differentiate 2x, you are going to get what? 2. You are going to use that result to divide. So I divided 2x, I got 2. Then I will now integrate cosine. What is the integral of cosine? Positive sign. So I'm going to have positive sine. I'm going to have positive sine 2x. That's what I'll have. I have positive sine 2x. Then plus constant of integration c. Then if you simplify, this will be half of x plus sine 2x divided by 4 plus c. So this gives us the result of this very integral. So I'm still going to use what? Trigonometric identity to simplify this. So this will be integral of cos x divided by, we know that cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equals to 1. This is what we know from trigonometry. If you make sine squared theta is also a formula, how sine squared theta will be equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta. But I want to relate it to this thing we have here, half cos squared x minus 1. So if you multiply both sides by minus, we are going to negative sine squared theta is equal to positive cosine squared theta minus 1. So I'm going to write this cosine squared x minus 1 to be the same thing as negative sine squared x. So this will be cosine squared x minus 1 is negative sine squared x dx. So we have simplified it small. So I've written this as minus 1 over sine x multiply cos x, multiply cos x divided by sine x. Because if you multiply this, you are going to get cos x over minus sine squared x. This is the same thing as this. So I'm going to simplify this further. This will be integral. 1 over sine is a cosec. So this will be minus cosec x, then cos x divided by sine x is cot x. So this will be cot x dx. So we are going to look at our basic trigonometric integrals. We have that cosec x cot x, integral of cosec x cot x is negative cosec x. But here we have integral of negative cosec x cot x. If you come here in this result, if you multiply both sides by negative, you are going to have that integral of negative cosec x cot x will be positive cosec x. So the integral of negative this will be equal to positive cosec x plus the constant of integration c. So this gives us the result of these integrals. Thank you so much for being part of this class. See you in our upcoming class. Bye.